This no-bake passion fruit and chocolate dessert has a secret for this super creamy melt-in-your-mouth result. Start by placing the passion fruit pulp in the blender and let's blend for just a few seconds. Now strain it. You need 300 milliliters of pulp. I like blending a few seeds back in. Now in the blender, 800 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of cream, 1.5 cups of milk powder and the passion fruit pulp. Now let's blend everything really well and look how creamy it gets, everyone. Let's transfer a portion here to a dish, a serving tray. We will cover the base. Following that, we will soak the plain biscuits in the milk and create a layer of cookies. Then add more passion fruit mousse. Spread it again and keep alternating layers of cookies and passion fruit mousse until you finish all the ingredients. Refrigerate the dessert, and for the ganache, we will combine 200 grams of semi-sweet or milk chocolate with 200 milliliters of table cream and microwave it for 30 seconds. Then stir until the chocolate dissolves and the ganache is ready. And in the meantime, let's add the ganache here on top of our dessert, and you can decorate it however you prefer. Chill it and serve it nice and cold. And wow, look at this, people. Check out this incredible creaminess. This dessert was absolutely perfect and incredibly popular at my house. You absolutely must have this dessert on your table. It is truly mouth-watering. So that's it, my dears. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!